Okay, guys, how do I look? I can't get used to myself. Like, every time I look myself in the mirror, I'm like, who's this girl? Like, who is this girl? Like, guys, like, oh my word. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Kawegazi on the go. I know I'm starting this birthday vlog a little crusty, but just stay tuned for the transformation. I am so nervous though because I am going to install a weave for the very first time in my entire life. I'm a little bit skeptical how I will look because I'm always a natural babe. But yeah guys, it's my birthday today. It's the 12th of July. So I am off to go and install my hair. I'm so nervous guys. And yeah, I think I'm stepping into my womanhood era because I don't want to slip on myself again. I want to be beautiful. I want to look like a classy lady. I want to be, you know, in my businesswoman era, and I must look the part because I'm always looking all, you know, all snobbish and all, but I want to be in my cute woman era. I just put this because my hair is a mess. So yeah, I booked myself a place just for my birthday week. So yeah, I'll see if I will show you the room tour, but there's nothing fancy. It's just a simple open plan, you know, that's it. There's the bed, the kitchen, the living area, and the toilet is just there. So there's nothing wow, but yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog.
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
It's the glow for me. Guys, the weather is so perfect. It has been raining for the past 2 weeks, but today God said, my child, it's your birthday. Let it be a beautiful day. Let me go.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you.
It's load shedding, so I need to use the stairs. How do I look? I can't get used to myself. Like, every time I look myself in the mirror, I'm like, who's this girl? Like, who is this girl? Like, guys, like, oh my word. Okay, so I'm waiting for my makeup artist. Okay, so I'm having a photo shoot, but I don't even know the theme of the photo shoot. I don't even know like how the photo shoot will go, but anyways, so I will have a face beat and then have a photo shoot for my birthday, you know, like, yeah, so stay tuned, guys. But guys, this hair is giving, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I love it. I love it. And the lighting in this place is to die for. So guys, stay tuned. And the same play. And the same play and sababi himilo. Maumpega uyabona. Hi guys, ngimuhle. Hi ngimuhle. Imagine I'm gonna fucking makeup. Guys, I haven't even put on makeup in dimhle kanje. Imagine sendi sebendi vavavum. Guys. 29. I am 29. So I'm gonna blow out some balloons and then scatter them on top of the bed. I don't even know how this photo shoot is gonna go, but yeah. It's a solo location for a reason, so don't ask me where is the help. I don't have any help because I am alone. Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the one by fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, is out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Let's pretend I am 26, not 29. Go and shadow, and if you 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 go I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow. 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 And if you go and another banger. Make a call, make a bong, make a call, make a keep a deep bong, your body kakara, make a bong, on a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead chocolate. Thank you.
Birthday vibes. Yeah, for the pictures, not do that.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never put.
I must sleep nicely because this makeup must be on tomorrow also.
Oh, you want it tomorrow?
Because I'm going with out with my friend tomorrow, so the makeup must still be on.
So you have to keep on doing the birthday 2 weekends.
Yes. So the weekend.
Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can call me wifey. Inna the yard, them a burn up. Till the morning, them a turn up. See the girls, them pull up. See the man, them turn up. Inna the yard, them a burn up. Till the morning, them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me.
Angisemhle sababi imibu when you're there. Guys, I don't wanna lie. Jealous down, dimhle, guys. I kabanisi dimhle. Like, who is she? Like, who is she? Like, I mean, hi guys, ndimhle. Who? Hi ngeke guys. Hi ngeke. You.
How it got.